IQOO 10 in the Double 11 promotion yesterday. Are you all starting? What surprised Chino was that IQOO 10 is in hot sale. We received messages from our followers earlier. Let's talk about IQOO 10 screen situation. This is 2 involution. IQOO 10 is a model that was officially launched in July this year. It is so new that it is the latest model we have talked about so far. In fact, there is not much market to say about the new model. But since some fans want to know the screen market of this model, it is still necessary to know it. As a mid to high-end model, its original screen order was placed to Samsung. It is a soft Mesopore screen with 6.78-inch/Full HD/COF scheme. Looking at the screen of this model alone, the cost of Samsung flexible glass above 6.6 inches is relatively high, which is enough to prove the product positioning of IQOO as a so new model. What is the current market situation of this screen in the market? First, let's look at the original type screen. First of all, the brand new original screen. At present, there are very few such screens. Scarcely. Why? First, the mobile phone has just been released, and it is not yet time to release official accessories in large quantities. Second, Samsung has done a very good job of controlling the material of the screen, and there is little possibility of channel leakage. Therefore, there are almost no brand new original screen. Then is the original refurbished screen. Compared with the brand new original screen, there are more original refurbished screens on the market. The recycling price of the current broken cover plate of this screen is relatively high, so the refurbished goods are also relatively expensive. The market is about more than 1,100 yuan. Since the number of screen replacements has not increased, and there are not many people doing screen renovations, it is normal that the price cannot come down now. Finally, the OEM screen, because of not many materials for the broken cover plate. To be obvious, definitely no OEM screen. Let's look at the OLED screen. There is no OLED screen. Experienced fans must have known that the main reason is that the machine model is too new. The amount of screen replacement has not increased. The cost for opening an OLED screen mold is relatively high. The return on investment cycle for opening an OLED screen mold is very long. For upstream factories, no profit at all. Finally, let's take a look at the INCELL screen. There is only one INCELL screen on the market, Inilux, Mesopore screen with 6.6-inch Full HD/COF scheme. The market is about 2 times yuan. You can buy products from any domestic brand at present. There is only Inilux. The original screen of this model is a 6.78-inch screen, which is not particularly friendly for INCELL screen, because the used glass for large size INCELL screen is 6.517-inch generally. The 6.6-inch glass panel in the INCELL screen is one of the few supersized glass, so there are relatively few choices for glass panels. So how is the price performance of this INCELL screen, from the perspective of the window, compared to the original 6.78-inch glass panel? This 6.6-inch INCELL screen window is smaller. The original screen is the COF scheme. This INCELL screen uses the COG scheme. The chin will be slightly wider, which will also affect the window, make the window smaller. In terms of display effect, the display effect of this INCELL screen as a domestic glass is incomparable with that of Samsung's original soft OLED, but this INCELL screen is more cost-effective, from the price point of view, compared with the original screen price of more than 1,000 yuan. This INCELL screen is only more than 2 times yuan, which is very affordable. For those guys who need to change the screen, this screen change is a good alternative. Above all is the IQOO 10 market quotation. The market of the newer model is relatively simple. We will continue to pay attention to it. What do you want to know next? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Follow Chino Tech. Avoid buying screens and stocking up being scammed.